Too strong. Too much muscle.
Naso getting the rebound. Where will he go? Drops pass inside. Kevin spinning. Kevin fall away. That one is good.
Tough shot.
He makes it.
Jonas Sumagasa. Jonas with the left. Napalakas ang Kevin with the putback.
Assist.
6-5.
Isa na lang ang lamang dito ng Threads HCG.
Buenaventura hits it.
Buenaventura answers right back to give them a 3-point lead. Jonas
Anak
for
ni
two.
Kuya Ruel. Si Layton.
Jonas hits the two.
Pangalawa.
8-7.
Down to 1-point lead. Masoy taking the two. Oh, good line though. Masoy fakes the pass. And Kevin spins. Fall away. It's good. We're tied at 8. Air Jokers lumalaban ang gusto dito.
Running with the lady of 9-8.
Jonas needs a timeout. That's a 2 if it goes. Wala yun. Kevin De La Cruz. Good game so far. Kevin falling away.
Oh! Tough shot. Third fade away. College players to ah.
Oh,
Buenaventura
dinaktakan na.
Ayun.
Okay.
Dumiin.
Tama na daw to. Narinig yata si Boss Mel eh. Balikan natin itong mga highlights. Hatid sa atin ang Refuel Like a Champ with a Melmac Burrito Wrap. Nakakatikim lang namin. Ito yung mga fall away. Speedy bagal move eh, no?
Oh.
Speedy bagal move. Ayun yung putback.
Isa pa yan. Tatlong sunod yan.
Oo. Too fast. It's too young and too fast.